Hello, health warriors. Welcome back to Naturalhub. If back pain has been your constant companion, today's video could be a game changer for you. We're diving deep into how vitamin D isn't just a vitamin, it's a backbone of good health. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our health hacks. Understanding back pain. Millions suffer from back pain every day, impacting everything from work to personal life. But what causes it? While injury and posture are common culprits, few know that nutritional factors, like vitamin D deficiency, play a crucial role. Today, we'll explore how this overlooked vitamin can be your ally against back pain. The vital role of vitamin D. Vitamin D, often known as the sunshine vitamin, is vital for bone and muscle health. Here's how it helps. Strengthens bones. It ensures your body absorbs calcium effectively, crucial for bone health, and preventing osteoporosis-related back issues. Enhances muscle function. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to muscle weakness, affecting your back directly. Reduces inflammation. It also plays a key role in reducing inflammation, a common cause of chronic back pain. Boosting your vitamin D levels. So, how do you ensure you're getting enough vitamin D? Let's break it down. Sun exposure. Spend 10-15 minutes in the midday sun a few times a week. Remember to wear sunscreen after a few minutes to protect your skin. Diet. Incorporate vitamin D-rich foods like salmon, fortified cereals, and mushrooms into your meals. Supplements. Consider supplements, especially if you live in less sunny climates or have dietary restrictions. There you have it. A simple nutrient with powerful effects on your back health. If you're struggling with back pain, vitamin D might be the missing piece. Talk to your healthcare provider to get your levels checked and consider adding more vitamin D to your life. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. Leave a comment below about your experiences with back pain and vitamin D. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, taking charge of your health is the first step to a pain-free life. See you next time.